6-step blueprint, real-time market data pipeline with TimescaleDB and PostgreSQL. Watch the full video to learn how to build a real-time market database. Our pipeline consists of 4 layers: raw tick data ingestion, 1-minute continuous aggregate, materialized 1-minute table, hourly continuous aggregate. Let's start. Step 1, we create a standard Postgres table for time, symbol, bid, and ask. Then we execute create Hypertable. Step 2, we create a materialized view with the TimescaleDB continuous flag. We use time_bucket to group ticks into 1-minute intervals. Step 3, persistence. We create a separate physical table, OHLC 1-minute table, also a hypertable. Step 4, we write a stored procedure that upserts the last 2 minutes of data from the view into our table. We schedule it with add_job to run every 60 seconds. Step 5, for 1-hour candles, we query the 1-minute table. This scalable hierarchy processes just 60 rows instead of thousands of raw ticks. Step 6, the ingest script. We connect to the TraderMade WebSocket. We parse the incoming JSON payload and fire standard insert statements into our hypertable. To get this working, you'll need an API key. Head over to TraderMade.com and sign up. Get a 7-day free trial so you can follow along easily. Once you have your API key, replace the placeholder in your .env file and hit save. Then, open your terminal and run the command python main.py. First, we confirm the database connection, followed by the socket connection. The subscription request goes out, and once we get that handshake, there it is. Live market data is now streaming directly into your database.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.